Hello there, welcome to this WordPress course. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by WordPress, don't worry. I've broken everything down into simple, quick lessons so you can learn step by step without feeling lost or spending hours watching long tutorials. So by the end of this course, you will know how to set up WordPress, design stunning pages with Elementor, create blogs, add contact forms, and even optimize for speed and secure your site, all without touching complicated code. Each video is short and straight to the point, so you can watch, do, and move on. Whether you are a total beginner or you just want to sharpen your skills, this format will save you time while giving you real hands-on results. So grab your laptop, follow along, and by the end of this course, you have a website you are proud to show off. Let's get started, shall we?